In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation rule in Wrike using the workflows templates. We'll start from your personal space in Wrike. Go ahead and open Wrike in your browser, then navigate to your personal area or whichever space you usually work from. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to access account-level settings and automation. If you're following along with the on-screen guide, you should see the same workspace view that's shown there. Next, look for the highlighted area on the top navigation bar or the sidebar, depending on your layout. This is where Wrike groups your account or workspace controls. Click on the highlighted section to open the menu that contains your main workspace options. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the Account Settings area where you can manage things like users, security, and automation. It may take a moment to load, especially if you're in a larger account, so just give it a second. Once you're in Settings, look for the Automation section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where all of your automation rules live. Here you can view existing rules, see what's active, and create new ones. Now we're going to create a brand new rule. Click on the button labeled Create Automation Rule. This opens the rule setup flow, starting with templates and categories that Wrike provides to make the process easier. You'll see several template categories across the top. Click on the Workflows category. This narrows things down to automation templates related to task and project statuses, so you can trigger actions when work items move through your workflow. Within Workflows, select the Statuses option that's highlighted. This focuses even more on rules that react to status changes, which is one of the most common reasons to use automation. Instead of picking a predefined template, choose Custom Rule. This lets you build a rule that fits your exact use case. Click on Custom Rule to open the Rule Builder. In the Rule Builder, follow the highlighted areas on screen. First, choose the trigger, such as when a task or project changes status. Then specify the exact conditions, like which workflow or which specific status should start the rule. After that, choose the action you want Wrike to perform automatically. For example, updating another field, moving the item, or notifying a specific user. Work through each highlighted field one by one, making sure your trigger, conditions, and actions match how your team actually works. When you're happy with the setup and everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Create. This saves and activates your automation rule. So from now on, Wrike will execute it automatically based on the criteria you defined.